Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important video in which I'll be discussing the questions from the recent CSIR net exam which was in February 2022, but it was our June CSIR net 2021 exam which has been conducted right now in this month. So we will be talking about the important questions from there from that exam in this series of videos. So I will keep on providing you the concepts, the ideas about the questions, how you will take the steps and how you will be solving those questions in these videos. So stay connected, and if you are new on this channel, that is Mission Net Physics Exam, then you can subscribe this channel too by clicking on the subscribe button below this video. And guys, we are soon going to start the discussion about all these important things which we will be discussing here in these videos. Like the first question which I will take, I'll be telling you the concept involved in the question and the answer both. But before I'm going to start the discussion, quickly let me just share some of the updates with you. The first one is regarding the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription. So I hope you are familiar with it, that we are going to have the Plus and the Iconic subscriptions available on Unacademy Learning app. If you will take Plus or Iconic subscription, you will be able to attend the regular live classes of the well-structured and well-planned courses by the top educators we are going to have on Unacademy. And guys, if you will take the Plus subscription, you will get these benefits. If you will take the Iconic subscription, you will be getting these benefits. And by using and by applying the referral code Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, or by using and by applying the referral code Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen, you will be getting the 10% discount in the total Unacademy subscription amount. So this is how everything will be helping you to do the best preparation for the upcoming exam. Now, I hope each and everything is clear to all of you, but one more thing I would like to share here, that is regarding this thing that we are going to have the subscription available on Unacademy Learning app for different duration. For example, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. Exactly the current prices you can check out on the Unacademy Learning app itself. Okay, so this was something important I wanted to share with you. Even right now, many new courses by the top educators are starting, the new batches are starting on Unacademy Learning app. So if you want to join these sessions to learn new concepts, to learn many new tricks, to know about the right approach to solve the questions, then you can take the Unacademy Plus or the Iconic subscription, and wherever you will be taking the subscription, use and apply the referral code Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen, or Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen. Any one of the referral codes you can use and apply and get the 10% discount in the total subscription amount. Now let's talk about the first question which I will be discussing in this video today. So guys, the first one is this question in which we had the 3 graphs given to us. Okay, now concept I will be discussing mainly, what is the concept involved and how you will be solving that question. So 3 graphs were given in that question. Okay, now so they have mentioned the figures which have been given in that question. They are related to the 3 different wave functions of a particle which is confined in one dimensional box. Okay, so graph based question, it is going to be a graph based question in which we are having the graph of what, which are related to the wave functions, 3 different wave functions. Okay, 3 different wave functions have been given there. Clear? Now in that case, what will happen? The 3 different wave functions we are going to have. Other than that, you need to know one more thing. This is for a particle which is there inside a 1D box. The particle which is there inside a 1D box. And what you need to find? You need to find the maximum value for expectation value of x, as well as maximum value for expectation value of x square. One more thing, 1D box, it has been given there, but along with that, the range of x is that it is going to lie between -1 to 1. Okay, for 1D box, this information is even given to us. So I hope each and everything till now, whatever we have considered and discussed, is clear to all of you. Now the main thing is how the options were there. So options were like B and C and A and B graph. This is showing the maximum of x and x square, like that. Okay. In this case, let me just tell you one thing. We had the graphs this way. For example, the graph A was this way, in which we had the 0 here. Okay. I'll be providing the information about it. -1 here and the +1 here. Done. And we had the like the graph in this way. Okay, in this way we had the graph. In this case, here they have given us a vertical line, done, which was like showing the 0 here. Now second graph, I'll be talking about it, how you will solve this question and what is the concept involved in the question. Only that much part of the graph we had, and we will be calling it the graph A. Same with the graph B we will be having, and in the graph B what they have given us, let me just show you that. So in this graph they have given us this thing, something like this, then something like this, then something like this. Okay, now what was there? It was 1.25 on the upper peak. So this is 1.25 we had here, and here we had the minus 0.5. Clear? And this is how we had the B graph given to us. Let me just show you the C graph, and the or like center line we had is somewhere here. Okay, 0. So that's 0 vertically. Okay guys, next thing. If I will talk about the graph C, I think here it will be properly visible to you. So I'm going to draw it here at this place. Now, here we had the graph this way given to us. This way, then this way, then this, okay, it will touch here. Then this way. We had it lower, higher. This is how we had the graph. Okay, this is gonna be something like x we will have here. Okay, x. Now it's 0, and here they have mentioned minus 2 and plus 2. So I hope you all have got the question that they are talking about the maximum expectation value of x and maximum expectation value of x square. And what are the important points we had in the question? I have talked about it. Now, first of all, if you have attempted and you were there like in that exam hall, you have attempted this question. So think about it, what was your right answer? Whether A is going to show the maximum of expectation value of any one of these or not. So let me just explain the way how you will be solving this question. First thing is, when we want to find the expectation value of x, here we can take the approximate idea from the graph, that you can see in the positive side it's same like it is in the negative side approximately same, equal value. Okay, same way in the negative and the positive part, same way here also. So we can expect that the expectation value of x here can be the sum of those values, and it will be approximately 0. Done. So average value, if we will consider here, we will get it approximately 0. Same way if I will talk about this part, so minus and the plus, like approximate 0, not if exactly 0 we will get in this graph. Okay, for expectation value of x. But if you will look at this graph, in the negative side only minus 0.25, 0.5 is there, and it is positive 1.25. So it will give us the more value, higher value, which means the expectation value of x will be maximum in this case out of the 3 graphs. Okay, so if you will take the sum of values and you will divide by the number and the data, like that you will find. So in that case it will give you the maximum value of expectation value of x. I hope you are getting it. In other two graphs it was approximately 0, because towards the positive and the negative side we were getting the almost equal values. If we will add them together, they will give us the 0 approximately. Done. So that's why for the B, because the magnitude of the values in the upper and the lower side, they are going to be different, and upper one is the more greater value than the lower one, hence it is going to have the great chances to have the maximum expectation value of x. If I will talk about the maximum expectation value of x squared, then what will happen? In that case, simply we can see that here the magnitude is more for minus 2 and plus 2. While here it is just minus 1 and plus 1 if I will take the square. In any of the cases, here even we are having more data, more magnitude. So average or the expectation value of x for the C graph will be more. So that's how, just by observing the graphs, we can easily get that information and the detail. In case if you are going to have any doubt, any question, any query regarding that, you can tell me about it. But this is how, by just observing the graph, we will easily be able to get the answer for any such type of question. I hope you are getting it, guys. And if yes, that's good. This is how, even sometimes by relating the questions with the general approach, we can get the answer. So thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. We will be discussing more questions, more concepts in the upcoming videos. Just keep on attending all these important sessions. Don't miss them, and you will get the great ideas with these sessions too. Thank you so much everyone. If you want to attend the regular live classes by the top educators, then you can take the Unacademy Plus or Iconic subscription. Whenever you will take the subscription, use and apply the referral code whether Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen, and you will be getting the 10% discount in the total subscription amount by using and by applying the referral code Anjali Arora or Anjali A Live. Okay, you can take either plus or the iconic subscription because these subscriptions will help you a lot to take your preparation to the next level. Thank you everyone for joining this session. Thank you.